Alex Trappier heading into the back of Aiden. There's Aiden Gibson, and there's a nice shot. Here they come again. You guys cheer as loud as you can for them. Oh my back hurts watching these two. Trying his hardest. There we go. Let's see if Aiden can get his fan going. Aiden under the count. Tucker making another shot on the back end. What some awesome hits from these two. My God, my back hurts already, and it looks like Aiden is running out of time in the 28.